time at Dish with D. That's me. Thank you for clicking on this video, making yourself a priority. I am Denise. I dish everything healthy lifestyle, WW, light and delicious food, and friendship here on this channel. If that is something you're interested in, then click that subscribe button, join our community of waste watching warriors. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. This is a bit of a different video for me today. Since we're doing a little bit more YouTube these days, I'm gonna try doing some daily vlogs. Not every day, like maybe one day a week we'll do a daily vlog. So today we're supposed to go to the Eastern Shore to visit St. Michael's, Maryland. It's raining. I'm not sure this is even going to get up on YouTube, but we'll see. I will show you different things around and see where we go. We're supposed to go on a cruise, so I thought you might enjoy watching that. So the next time I see you, maybe we'll have something fun to show. Well, any good trip always stops at the rest stop. If you go with Steve, there's always a rest stop or two. But yeah, this is a pretty crummy one. Yeah, crummy. Ugh. Ugh, what is the world coming to when the rest stops are disgusting and closed? All right, on to the next stop. Hey, it's time at Dish with D. Let's go on a riverboat cruise. What do you say? This is where we just had lunch. If you saw, I inserted a picture of a tuna poke bowl. It was absolutely luscious. All right, left the water for what? The outlets. Yeah, time to shop. See if we can score. Sees the bay. Since we're in the Chesapeake. Farm charm. All right, one guess to where I'm headed next. Yep, Old Navy. Ooh, Gap, Skechers, Aeropostale. I don't know what the Hopkins original is, but there's a bookstore down there too. So we're gonna head into Skechers. All right, heading into dinner, and I'll show you a picture of what I eat. It's gonna be something along the seafood line, because when you're in here, this part of the country, you eat seafood. Well, that's it. I'm home. I only bought one thing at the outlets. Sad, but true. I got shoes for the cruise next year. I don't know. I fell in love with these little flashy. They were 19 bucks. I thought they were adorable. So that's what I got. So let me know what you thought of this video. If you want me to do these once a week, it's something a little bit different, but it was something different for me to do. So let me know what you think. Let me know with a thumbs up or a thumbs down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. We will dish another day. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, join our YouTube family. I will talk to you tomorrow.